Security awareness training. Turn your employees into cybersecurity heroes. Hi, my name is Tim McDermott. I'm a senior IT project manager. I live in the hill country of Texas, and I like to do my videos outdoors. 94% of all breaches involve humans and human error. So how do we prevent them from happening? Humans are prone to making these errors unless they're properly trained, so we need to train them on a regular basis. We're going to talk about a framework that I have for this training called HOME, H-O-M-E, H, hands-on, on, O is for ongoing, M is for meaningful, E is for engaging. So hands-on, H, hands-on, simulations are good. Simulations, like when one company I worked for, they would send out these emails every once in a while at random to individuals, and myself included, to test us to see if we were responding to phishing attempts. And so they would, if you responded, then you got sent to training. So that's a good way to do it, is simulations. In the HOME is for ongoing. We need to make these trainings ongoing. You make them ongoing by making them small and frequent, micro meetings at the end of one of the Scrum meetings on a monthly basis. Hold a little 5-minute talk about security and phishing. M is for meaningful. We need to, when these things, do these trainings, we make them meaningful to the individuals, tie them to the roles, tie them to business strategies, etc. E is for engaging. Gamification is good. If you can gamify the trainings, that helps people get more engaged in the training itself. Thank you all very much. I challenge you then to present a micro meeting on cybersecurity at the back end of one of your weekly meetings this week. Thank you.